Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Treadmill working. Been out of the office. Been out the office this morning. So let's get the treadmill going. Steps on the go. Hopefully we're all doing good. Can't lift the camera up anymore, so that'll have to do. Are we live? We're live? Let's double check. Yes. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm just going to get the treadmill on, and then we'll do a bit of a breakdown. Okay, let's rock and roll. So really nice day yesterday. Apologies if you can hear the treadmill whilst I'm on, but you guys on stream are probably used to it anyway. So I'm just going to quickly just bring up yesterday's trade for anyone that missed it just whilst we wait. Should be able to see this. I'm going to add on the Apex here. I've added on the Apex at 620. 620 is on the Apex accounts I just added. Everything else I'm still long, so I'm not going to add on those. But everything else I'm still long. And 570s, the stop on stream is at 560s. Again, I will add back into this if I get stopped above 620s. I do not care. Same levels are on my screen. This is the exact same level that I had on the trade plan. This is where you go long, and we ride that into 680s. So, there we go. Taking the Apex off there. That's 50 points, bro. A minute ago. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. It's just too easy. Let's go. Oh, it's going to be a good day. Let it go. Let's go. Get the out of here. There we go. Out of this trade for $364 per account. We got 5 accounts. And also we traded this on the other accounts. As you can see on here, this is the screen to the left of me. I don't even know what Apex. That was yesterday's trade, and all we were doing is, if we go back to the chart from yesterday, this was such a good example. I'm actually going to include this into the masterclass course. So for anyone that's watching this now, you've got a beautiful example. Now, this was a full traditional down here at the dynamic trend line, went into a same anchor new high, went all the way to its negative 23, traded again an extension, all the way to its negative 100 to the exact level. I hope you guys are seeing this, you masterclass members. The exact level. Never closed above. Failure to go higher. Tagged it. Failure to go higher. Came all the way down into where? The ETH dynamic trend line. Never touched or broke the RTH dynamic trend line. The same anchor new high. Traded the full traditional. Traded a full halfway back. And traded the negative 23 completion. RTH, ETH high, negative 23 triple top high. And we are back at those levels again. I don't think, now if this did trade a full same anchor new high again, I'm going to just be amazed. Pretty much didn't try. I didn't class that as a technical touch in my opinion, but it came close. But no, the full extension that we're still in is probably just this full negative 23 completion. I don't think we complete. I don't think we. I'm not. Put it this way. I'm not overly bullish today. I said to the members in the room, anyone who's inside the trading room, I said I'm pretty much sit on hands type of day for me. I've been out all morning doing my business plan, so I've not been on the screens or charts as much, but just having a little cursory glance on my phone, and it just looks like a bit of a choppy day for me. So I don't really have a fixed bias. I'm probably going to say I'm neutral to bearish more than anything. I think the longs were brilliant yesterday, and I don't really need to overstay or try to have FOMO catching any longs today. I would probably be, again, short or neutral, or just sit on hands. I don't think there's any FOMO here on my side needing to be in a trade today. I'm going to submit a $22,000 payout tonight with Apex, and that's good enough for me for a good, week or two, to be honest, in terms of trading. So we'll see if it gets approved, but that's my main goal today. Just do a scratch trade on those accounts, get that payout submitted. And if I don't take a trade today, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. And I'm just going to see where we are in terms of short extensions, if there's anything that tickles my fancy. I don't think we do. I think we're above. Yeah, we're above the 62. So there's nothing really that I'm going to look at from a short extension inside any fibs. Of course, there's other things I use just other than fibs. So there's other things that I will look at in terms of taking a short. But this is a 3.5 times ATR. We traded one of these yesterday and had a continuation to the 23. We're now trading the second ATR up, 3 times ATR up, into a completion level. So yeah, there is nothing for me to do. This is actually kind of a boring trade plan, really, because I don't really have a plan, to be honest. I'm just going to go on live on Whoop and sort of see what the day brings. But I don't really have any bias, especially not to the long side. I think if I'm going to trade today, it's probably going to be more of a short trade than anything. But I'm probably going to want to see a little bit of manipulation, or at least exhaustion, before that happens. I don't necessarily want to short a moving train, and I certainly don't want to buy a 3 times ATR to the upside. So probably just going to let this one settle out, get myself set up, get my accounts logged into, and see what the day brings. But yeah, just a short breakdown for me today. Neutral to bearish, and just a scratch trade, small type of day, really, hopefully, and we will see what the rest of the week brings. So yeah, keep that one nice and short and sweet. I'll see you all in the trading room, and everyone on YouTube, I'll be back on tomorrow.